What's that one piece of advice that you have for founders that have an MVP that or they have an idea that they're working on? What do they need to do to get the journey started for them?
So, yeah, an idea. I mean, everyone's got ideas. There's lots of good ideas and there's tons of bad ideas. So, I think, a lot of people go, oh, great, I've seen this little gap in the market. If I build this thing and I get 2% of the market, that's thousands of users, and I monetize them at X dollars or rands or whatever per user per month, then I forecast it and I'm going to do really well. Yeah. It's all said and done, like much easier as a concept than in real life. So I would say try and validate it as much as possible. Like speak to a lot of people, and really be, hard with yourself, like is the feedback that I'm getting, are they telling me like that this really works? And, once you've like really gotten a lot of feedback and people say, like, listen, great, that would change our lives. It would save us time. It would make us more money, whatever it is, make them more efficient, and find out like what would they pay for something like that? Because I think that's the thing is that, people often say, if we launch this product and it could do X, Y, and Z, would you use it? Would you pay for it? Yes. And then when the time comes and you've built and launched it and it comes a time for them to pay for it, there's a bit of resistance. So that's a tricky one, but I would say try and validate your idea as much as possible. And I would say make sure that your product's really solving a problem. There's a lot of, I think the number one reasons why startups fail is they build something that's actually not solving much of a problem. So really find a problem and really make sure that your solution is solving that problem.